Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show you how we can archive or complete project. At this particular moment you won't be able to just complete the project as you complete the task like this here. What you need to do is go left top corner and just click three dots here like duplicate of creating requests project, and you need to click here archive the project. When it's going to happen, you're going to automatically archive it. But I have a simple problem here, like if I'm going to refresh the website, you can see it here that, okay, it's hidden, but still you're gonna see this show archived projects. And when you're gonna click on it, you need to always refresh the website to hide it. And if you're gonna have like 15 archived projects, it's like mamma mia. So this is something that Asana needs to implement. And they got a huge injection of money. And you can like literally complete the project. What the hell? So yeah. Thank you very much and goodbye.